Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by killing power and confirming the circuit is dead because you will be handling live connectors otherwise. Once done, open the door fully and support it to prevent spring tension from pulling the panel. Remove the inner door screws along the top edge. These hold the inner panel to the outer. Make sure you have a Torx and Phillips ready. Next, lift the inner panel slightly and slide it forward to expose the control bracket. This is where you begin the actual control panel removal. You now remove the control bracket screws and pull the bracket toward you. Do it slowly to avoid bending the metal. Once the bracket is loose, locate the ribbon cable and the multi-pin harness. Press the locking tab and slide them straight out to avoid damaging pins. If the keypad is glued or clipped, pry gently at the clip points with a plastic tool. Keep track of screws and orientation markings. That tells you how the replacement will seat and why correct alignment prevents button failure. You install the new control module by seating it in the bracket the same way the old one came out. Make sure the ribbon lays flat and the multi-pin connector clicks fully into place, because a loose connector is the most common failure. Reinstall the bracket and inner door screws, then close the door and restore power at the breaker. Run a short rinse or diagnostic to confirm all buttons and indicators work. If buttons don't respond, first recheck the ribbon and harness seating. Poor contact is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.